Hi everyone. In this video tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how to download Developer C++ on your Play Store and get it installed on your Android device so that you can learn C++ and program C++, compile it and execute the programs on your Android device. Click open Play Store and search for Developer C++ app for Android. From the search list, you can install Learn C++ Coding and Programming. Click on Install. It's being installed. Click on Open. Click on Next. Click on Next. Next. Get started. You can skip this process, or even you can log in through your Google. As of now, I don't want to sign in, so I click on skip. Stay tuned. Close this. Click on Now Compiler. Here is a sample code placed for you. Hello world. You can modify this program. I'm customizing this code. Once you're done, then click on the Run button, which you can see at the bottom. Click on Run. The program is being compiled, that is, the source code is being translated to machine code. Here is the output you can find on the screen. Hi Chandra, how are you doing? Once you're done, click on the Close button and click on Programs now. So these are some of the templates given to you. So here, if you would like to write a new program, you can clear this and you can start writing your new program here. Hash, include, and so on. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.